Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to VKC training. So today we'll see a demo of the Python. So yesterday we have completed the basic introduction about the demo. So we'll continue the today's session. Okay. So as of now, what we have discussed in the last session, we have discussed about the training. Okay. We have seen about the use case of the Python. So Python is the core part. Okay. By using this Python, we can able to implement a web applications, web APIs. You can able to perform automation testing. You can able to implement the gaming applications. Next, IoT applications, network applications, artificial intelligence, machine learning, okay, scientific applications, data science. Not only this, so we are going to be use of Python in the many cases. Okay, so Python is not limited to this one. Okay, so when this Python was started, the starting point of Python is the 1991. What is the year of the Python was introduced? The 1991. Okay. So what are the languages like Python? So same. Do you have any other languages? Yes. Java is there. .NET is there. PHP is there. Few other languages like Node.js is there. Number of other programming languages are there. But what is the difference between our Python programming language and other programming language? So if you take a .NET, so by using the .NET, I can able to develop web applications, web APIs. I can do automation testing by using the C#. I can develop gaming applications. But can I develop artificial intelligence, machine learning, scientific application, data science? All these things are very difficult by using the Java .NET. But still you can able to do, but it is a difficulty one. Coming to the Python, if we observe in the Python, it is not 1991. Just to think about 5 to 6 years back. Okay. So after 2018 onwards, we are talking about the Python into the market. So it is not there earlier. No, it was there earlier. But the usage came for the Python in the year of 2018. Because in the 2018, the Python 3.7 was introduced. There is a few other changes on that. Next, so as if you want to grow, we need to grow step by step, not immediately. Okay. First, web applications are transfer. These web applications converted the information into physical to web applications. For example, I want to order something. How you are going to order? Simply imagine. So think about this. Imagine is there earlier? No. If I want to purchase a mobile, if I want to purchase a laptop, what I need to do? I need to go to the nearest laptop or mobile center, or it is whatever it is the nearest or sofa. So as per your requirements, you must go to it. For example, I want to book a train. Okay. Think about 6, 8 or 10 years back. So think about bus tickets 8 years back. It is there. Online booking systems are there. No. We need to go to that specific vendors will be there. Vendors in the sense nearby houses, they are having some shops. We are going to book a tickets. Okay. So now within our hand, you can able to perform anything else. You can able to perform a booking tickets. Okay. So the computer evolution is came step by step. Same like web applications are came step by step. Within a sitting in the home, you can able to do whatever you want. Even you can able to control the other persons also. Okay. So other person in the sense of physically you can't able to control. I mean to say electronically. Yes or no? Yes. Can I call? Yes, directly I can able to call to your mobile number. If I want to talk, I can do. Okay. So like this, first web applications are started, web APIs. So same parallelly gaming was started. Okay. So everybody is addicted to the games. Okay. But gaming wise, the use case means to the world and there is no use case. Just we're having some fun time. So because of these fun times, companies are enhanced. They're developing a gaming and releasing to the market. Okay. We're having the number of technologies to develop a gaming also. So the second part, as these applications are going, so our needs are not still satisfied. For example, Alexa, switch on the light. We are now in the situation in the 2020. We're in the situation to switch on, switch off by the voice command. How is it is possible? So because of we're having the Python is a specific core part. So if you want to implement such a case, it's very easy. Okay, so to switch, if I want to give the command to the Alexa, first Alexa has to be built. Okay, to build this Alexa, when first we need the web applications to be built. Okay, so that is the second. Now we're having the Tesla. Yes, once a market drastically changed after the Tesla was introduced. Okay, so no other companies there like it. But once they're coming to the product, right, everybody will be copy and definitely we're having the alternatives will become. Okay, so now the world is moving to the artificial intelligence, machine learning language, scientific applications. So every company trying for that, so they have to be grow scientifically. Okay, data sciences, life sciences. So number of things are there. But how these things are achieved by the Python? These things we are going to be discussed in further sections. So there is a two types of things are there. One is experienced oriented training. Second one is the fresher. So this 8 p.m. is the fresher oriented training. So if anybody wants for the experienced oriented training, join. So next week onwards, we're going to be start. We'll announce the data. Come for the sessions, but don't be expect too much of a real-time oriented subject here. Okay, already I told this is a fresher oriented level. The target of attendees are freshers we are considering. Okay, as a part of the fresher, we are going to be training on this Python. Next, interview skill set, resume building. Okay, for example, Palindrome program, something programs I'm going to be explaining. Okay, so in the real-time oriented program, examples, definition, everything will be different. Okay, hope everybody's got it right. So make clear on that point. Okay, so if you want more expertise oriented subject, you can able to come for that one. So if you are the beginner oriented subject, this can be the enough. Okay, even here also we're going to be seeing. Okay, okay, so that was clear, right? So here fresher oriented Python interview skill set. Next, resume building. The duration of this particular program is the 1 month. So as I said, here you are going to learn about this Python, the centralized Python. Okay, so you want to more expertise and experience, you can able to come for the regular sessions like real-time sessions. Okay, so today, I mean, the timing wise, as of now, everybody said 8 p.m. But let us discuss. So whoever is going for the experience batch or whoever wants to be join for the freshers, based on that one, we'll decide. Okay. Here you are going to be get 5 interview questions, 2 labs. Next, I have seen the syllabus. Okay, let us see the syllabus. Okay, so here you are having the Python syllabus. So everything is there. Okay, so as I say, point of view syllabus, here we are giving something else. But coming sessions, we are going to explore more. Don't worry about the thing. Okay. Okay, so are you clear why the Python was? We're going to be graph. Yes. So other than this one, let us have the little background of the programming languages. We're having the ABC language. It's not a famous one, but we're considering a C is the base language, which is the father of all programming languages. C language is the base programming language. Still, if you are not comfortable in the C also, but don't worry about that one. Okay, don't worry about the C program. So let us concentration on the Python program. Okay, the concepts, examples, everything is taken from the C language. Okay, so if you observe the syllabus in the Python, C is the same. But other than the OOPS concept, if you observe .NET syllabus are the same, because C is the father of all programming language. But even it is the father, then why C++, then why Python, Java, .NET, Node.js? The reason behind is, if you are the developer developing the Python, okay, so if you are the developer, develop the application using the Python, so see, I can able to operate these applications very easily. Yes, I can able to operate. Can I open another application also? I can able to open. Okay, can I open the Zoom? Yes, I can able to. Can I perform a gaming? Yes, I can. If you develop any application using the C language, only one program will be run at a time. Okay, only one program. You can't able to run a multiple programs. Okay, C language only. Okay, for example, I want to develop a gaming. Okay, so can you give any famous game nowadays?
PUBG.
PUBG. Okay, so any other thing else? Can you give one more game?
Minecraft.
Minecraft. So in the situation of two games are there, PUBG and the Minecraft. Okay. For example, I want to play PUBG. So I just open application. Okay. In my laptop. So C language means don't be think like a mobile and so on. So it is not going to be work. So simply open. So one application will be run at a time. You can't, it is not possible to run multiple times. Okay. So currently Zoom is running. Next Windows, I mean Microsoft MS Offices are running. If I take C is the language, then either you can able to work or operating only one game at a time. So user prospect to, if you are the, for example, you are the user ultimately. If you want to use this case of C language developed gaming application, are you prefer? No. Why so? So your system is going to run only one application at a time. You are having the, if you want to watch the news parallelly, okay, can I open the news parallelly? See here, I can able to split it two tabs. I can able to open the news parallelly. Okay, so here I can able to run the two windows. Such a case is not possible in the C language. That too, if you develop a application using the C language, it is not going to be applicable in the other system. Okay, so this is the what we have seen. So if you take a Python, if you develop an application in my machine, currently I'm using my computer system, right? Can I deploy this one into the somewhere else? Definitely. Can I deploy into the Play Store? Yes, you can able to download from the Play Store. It will be work in your machine also. Okay. So user friendly program is required. Okay. So other than this Python already explained. Okay. Python is you have the multiple use case. Okay. Next. So who developed this Python? In the year of 1991, Guido van Rossum. Guido van Rossum, where National Research Institute in the Netherlands. Okay, National Research Institute in the Netherlands. He developed the Python. So in the year of 1991. From the 2008, the features and application changes were using more nowadays. So if you observe, I mean, already I have explained this point. Okay, in the new curriculum, recently from the last year onwards, so universities also introducing the machine learning is a separate 4 years of series. 4 years platform. For example, EC, EEE like this, you are having the machine learning, artificial intelligence. Okay, so if you go any website, any uh, websites like a college websites, there you can able to see the list of courses. Okay, but why Python is chosen for this machine learning, artificial intelligence? Okay, scientific applications. There is a number of reasons out there. Okay, so not only these three reasons. Okay, it is a simple English. The coding itself English, less coding, open source. Okay, so in a software we're having the two types of program. So what I'm explaining, this is the notes which I typed in the last session. I'm just explaining. Okay, so 2 minutes we're going to be complete yesterday's revision session. We're having the two types. One is the high level programming language. Second one is the low level programming language. So what is mean by high level? What is mean by low level? Anyone? So already have written, but unmute yourself. Be interactive.
Understand.
High level is nothing but human understandable language.
Everyone. So high level is nothing but a human understandable. Mission level, low level is nothing but a mission understandable language. But ultimately, your mission is going to be work. Then only, for example, Alexa is going to be tell so and so. You are going to be given instructions so and so. Okay. So how it is operated? Ultimately, for example, Alexa switch off fan. So ultimately, which has to be a respond? Fan has to be respond. How? You need to be stop the power supply. Then only a fan will be stop or no? Yes, power is the supplying of power is stop. Then only. Okay, that's why. So if you take any programming language, so you are going to be write a code that is called high level. Okay, so Python is the high level programming language. Python contains a certain mechanism. It will be converted to machine learning language, machine understandable language. Okay, so without a machine is going to be understand, nothing was happening. Are you clear? Next, for example, if you take up the machine learning is nothing but in this kind of thing. Next, this is the what we require. Next, so what are the softwares needs to be installed? Take a heading. Software installation for Python. What are the softwares required for this Python? Okay, see here. First, you need to install the Python. Okay, so go to this one. I will send you the link. Okay, see, this is the one. We need to install Python from the below link. Okay. This is the link. Next, can I install? See here, observe. If you observe here, download the version for the Windows. If you are using the different of Mac, use here Windows, use here. For example, Mac OS, click on the Mac OS. Okay, so most of us are from the Windows, right? Anybody from other than Windows here? Who are there in the session, other than Windows, anyone here? Okay, so 99% we are going to use the Windows one. Simply open this link. Here you are having the download Python 3.10.6. Download this one. Okay, so after completion of this session, everyone try to be complete the setup. Okay, so or else based on your time allocation for the practice, that can be fine. Let me open. So have a 1 hour session to be. So almost we are going to discuss a 50 minute sessions, 10 minutes for the doubts. So doubts means that is up to you. How many doubts you are having? So how many students are going to be asked? I will wait until complete. 10 minutes, 30 minutes, that can be fine. Okay. So under plan another 1 hour session within our daily routine. Complete the whatever we have completed. Okay. So click on install now. So installation is going on. It will take a hardly 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. So the installation is going. So if you want to see, you can able to see the released versions. If you scroll down here, you can able to find the released version. Okay. So about history, so on, so thing will be down. So don't refer any YouTube or don't refer any website to learn the Python. Okay. So not only for the Python, any application. For example, I want to learn the C. I want to learn the Java, .NET. If you want to learn the .NET official Microsoft website, here we are having some documentation. But these are the little tricky. Okay. But try to be understand. Okay. If you have any doubts, that's why we are having this type of session. We're definitely guiding you to be in a perfect path. So even if you know the technology also, future, see, setup was successful. So in the future, so for example, you learn the Python. So in the future, you want to be move to the .NET. So let's try for some real-time oriented training you to be sharpened. Okay, people are think like I know everything. Okay, so don't you to be in that mode because if you take Indian cricket team, so everybody is going to play or not? Yes or no? But still, who is the coach right now for the Indian cricket team? Any cricketers are there?
Rahul Dravid.
Rahul Dravid. Yeah, Vamsi, who is right now? Okay. But who are the players? Can you give me some names of the players in the current? I mean, some matches are going right currently.
KL Rahul, Kishan.
Okay, let us take it KL Rahul. When he came to the, how many years that he is there in the cricket team? From how many years? 5, 6?
Around four,
Okay,
5.
around of 4 years. Let us take as a close to 5 years. So KL Rahul don't know the how to play. He know it, but why the trainer is required? So let us take that point. So anytime in your life also, if I want you to be success, not like other persons, everyone, it's point for the everyone. Okay. So once you want to be success also, not like other ones, simply number of persons are there, everybody working in software. So how many are doing a own business? So how they become a success? Sometimes you need a proper trainer. Okay, Sindhu is playing well, so she got an gold medal recently. But who is the trainer? Who is the guru? Okay, so the trainer is definitely required. So in the future also, let us have the certain time period to brush up yourself for any technologies. The technology will lead your life. Okay, that's what I would just want to be added. Next, so my Python installation is completed. So installation is completed. Yes. Step number 1 is completed. Next step number 2. So in my mission, Python is there, but how I can able to work? To work with Python, install IDE. So IDE means integrated development environment. Okay. So what is the purpose of IDE? IDE is use developer to write code. So as a developer, you want to write a code or no? Yes. Where? Where you want to write it? You require certain platform or no? Okay. So you are ready to play. So if you know the well know about the tennis, but you require the platform to be perform or no? Okay. If I say I am the trainer, I know end to end everything. But how you can able to say you are the trainer until you train students? Same here also. Python is ready, but how I need to be work it IDE. So integrated development environment. Okay, definitely an IDE is required. So how many types of IDs are there? We have the number of types. Okay, for this Python, you can able to use the PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, Eclipse, Jupyter. But did I have to learn all these things? Nothing. So if I want to play for India, I'm just want to play for in India. Okay, can I play in the USA? Can I play in the UK? But you are representing a India. Wherever you want to play, that can be fine. Correct or no? So ultimately, we should have to take a medal. That is our motive. Finally, yes or no? Here also. So other than this one, we're having a few like Anaconda. So Anaconda is an ID for the Python. Okay. What is mean by Python? Anyone? What is mean by Python? So silent. General. I'm just asking about English. General English.
High level
No. Just English I'm asking. Python.
snake.
The snake. Python is nothing but a snake. But why the name of the Python is given to this programming language? Okay. For example, Java is there. Java is the, anyone? Do you know the name called? So whoever is developing that Java, right? That guy used to sweep a coffee. Used to sweep coffee every day. Okay. So one of the coffee name is the Java. Okay. Same like this. Do you know barista? Barista is one type of a tea coffee. That different little. So if I say Three Roses, you know that one Three Roses. Okay, because that is the Indian brand. Okay. So when he developed, we're having a gaming at that time. One of the Python gaming was famous. Okay. For example, .NET. .NET was introduced to transfer the data over the network. .NET means dot networking. That's it. In the network, I want to work applications. .NET. So Airtel. Do you know anybody meaning of Airtel? Tel means you are going to say something. Air means air. Okay. So you are going to say something in the air. Air is the carrier. So that's it. So the name behind Python is nothing. That is just a gaming name. Okay. So at that time in the 1990, there is some game. The famous game is there. That's why it is came. Okay. Next, let us continue further. Okay. So what is an ID? Hope you clear, right? So ID means where developer will write a code. Next, which ID? Can I use a what type of ID? So if you want to use, you can able to use anything. So you can able to use any ID. So let us go with the Visual Studio Code. Okay. Why so? It is one of the free version. It is very easy to be work as a part of developer. But Anaconda, if you want to download, you can do. You want to use the PyCharm, you can able to do. If you know the Java, so you are having the familiar with the Eclipse also you can do. So all these editors are the little same only, no differences. Okay. So click on the download. Windows. So here you are having the different. So currently I'm using the Windows now. You can able to use Windows. Okay, download is going. Give me one more minute. So accept the agreement. Okay. Next, simply click on next. Don't be check and uncheck. Please don't do anything else. Then installation is going on. Finish. Okay. So it is opening the Visual Studio Code. So it will open like this for you. So simply empty panel will open for you. So now you need to be continue you to be write it. Okay. Next. So which one we have used? So this is the path. Step number 3. Okay, once that is completed, go to the extensions. Okay, that start step. Go to the extensions. Type Python. Okay, type Python. See the extension here. You need to install this one. Okay, so what is the third step? Once you open the Visual Studio Code, so let me showcase you. So once you install, automatically it will open the Visual Studio. So in case it is not open, what I need to do? Go to the search bar. You need to open the Visual Studio Code. Take that point. Go to search bar, open Visual Studio Code. Okay, go to the search bar, open Visual Studio Code. Next. Okay, next what I need to do. So if you observe here, you are having the multiple options. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth options. Okay, go to the last options. Go to the last option. Here you need to be type Python. Okay, Python. So currently I'm using the Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is the different, Python is the different. So let us add some extension. Okay, type Python and click on install. Okay, open Visual Studio Code. Go to the extensions, extension icon. Click on it. Go to the search to search with the Python. Okay, so now the Python is, it will be show the list of the Python. Okay, then click on the installing button. Click on the install. If you miss any step, don't be worried. Once the session is going to be complete, so we're going to post this video in the my channel. You can able to refer, but only demos videos are going to be pasted once you join the session. Once you join in the session, then we'll take your mail IDs and we'll give the remaining videos. I mean, once day after tomorrow. Tomorrow also let us have the small demo kind of things. We can able to continue, but demos are completed. Demo is nothing but yesterday we have discussed. So we are completed the installation. Next we are going to the further. Okay. Next installation is completed. Here you can able to observe installed. Installed. So what I need to do? Simple. Nothing you can able to do. What you need to do here? Nothing. So let us follow. So this is the way you need to be complete the software installation for Python. Okay. Next. How to create a Python project? That is a question. Okay. Take as steps to create a Python project. Okay. How I can able to create a Python project? So first create a dedicated folder. Don't be create inside of a C, don't be create somewhere else. Try to be create a folder inside of the so and so path. Okay. So let me create a Python programs, but don't be give the space. Don't be give any spaces. Simply Python programs. You can able to give any name. Okay. I'm just giving my Python program. Copy this path, Control C. Okay. So go to the file, open folder. Okay. Select this folder. That's it. So what I have did, let us take step 1. Create a folder in DR so on so. In D, not in the C, D, R, E, R, F. So whatever you are having the so on so. Okay. So don't be creating the pen drive called G folder. Try to be create somewhere else. So what is the folder name I created? Simply programming, sorry, Python programs. So here remember this one. The point is not don't add space between the don't add space of folder name. This is the what you need to be learn it. Don't add space of folder name. If you create any folder name, don't be add the space. Okay, completed. Hope you people are taking parallelly, right? So don't add space for the folder name. This is the what you need to remember. Next step number 2. Go to Visual Studio Code, simply call it as VS Code. Now we need to go to the VS Code. Open file, select folder. Okay. See, open file. Select folder. It is taken as open folder. Okay. So take it as open a folder. Okay. So folder will be open for you. So which you created, just we have created a copy this path. Paste here. Select that specific folder. Select that specific folder. So open folder, select that specific folder. Are you clear up to here? Any questions? Any questions? Okay, or else we'll discuss if you have any questions at the end. Okay. So let us discuss at the end. Let us have the continuation session. So see here, Python programs. I just created folder. Okay. If you observe, once I open here, observe here you can able to see new file, folder, so and so. Click on this new file. Okay. Give some proper name. Okay. Let us print some name. Okay. So in general, what we will call first program, hello program, right? So let us print .py, hello.py. I want to perform addition, add.py. I want to create a student file, student.py. Are you clear? Okay. So what I'm saying, click on the new file. So step number 3. Click on the new file. Okay, you need to click on the new file. Create a file. Click on the new file, create a file under the selected folder. Which folder you selected? In that folder you need to be create. Okay. So what is the name? Example hello.py. So here you are having the question, what is the py? So now tell me, what is the extension of the PowerPoint? What is the extension of the document? Microsoft document?
.doc.
.doc is nothing but a document. .ppt is nothing but I can able to say PowerPoint presentation. Excel? Excel, Excel. Okay. So like this extension will be give the file type. So if it is the Python, then extension is the py. Take it as a note. Here py is the Python file extension. Here py is the Python file extension. Okay. Here py is the Python file extension. Now Python file is created. Let us print our name. Okay. See here. If I want to print, what is the command? Already yesterday I have discussed. What is the command? Print. Print. P-R-I-N-T. Print. So simply braces. Welcome to VKC trainings. Python demo. Okay, that's it. But where it is printing? So if you want to print some time back, you have extension, right? So see in the right corner, you can able to see run Python file. Okay, are you able to see? Let me highlight. Here you are having the play button. Simply click on this play button. It is running. Okay. Welcome to VKC trainings Python demo. Are you observing? So this is the what we need to be print. Okay, this is the what we need to be printed. Clear? Yes. Okay. Add some print text. So how to add? Print a small print. Okay, if I say brace, automatically it will show. So here you can able to say hello. Next, run a Python program. So how to run this Python program? In a Visual Studio Code, go to the right car. Go to the right corner. There, a run play button to run Python program. Click on it. It will be run your Python program. Okay, see here. Here you are having the play button. Click on it. Run Python file. It will be run it. Yes. Okay. So for example, if you want to print your name, so let me print my name. Krishna. Okay. So save this file. Run it. Okay. So are you observing Krishna here? Yes. Okay. So team, that's it for today. Let us have this short session for 2 to 3 days. Little will go little slow. So to catch up the students. So if you want experience oriented training, come for the different one. So fresher oriented, if you find, you can able to continue. Okay. Fresher means it will be fresher. Don't be expect something else. Okay. Next. So let us go little slow for a week to be catch up everyone. Okay. So this is about today's session. What have seen today's session? We have seen background about yesterday's session. Next, we have completed the setup. Next, we have printed some content. Okay. So that's it for today. Thanks for the join.